Good morning, students. Yesterday we seen our male reproductive systems. So today we start a new topic, that is your female reproductive systems. Female reproductive systems. So what it includes? It consists of several parts. That is your ovary, your oviducts, your vagina, your mammary glands, and your vulva. So the primary male female sex hormone is your ovary. This is your male part for female reproductive systems. So we look about your ovary. Your ovary produces a primary sex hormone, that is your estrogen and progesterone, which are responsible for your further fertilizations. Actually, your ovary secretes 5 types of hormone, but your most of these estrogen and progesterone. Rest 3 is your reacting, your inhibiting, and the last is your what can I say? It's a relaxing. So we see the structure of ovary. Before that, we have to know the morphology of the ovary. The ovary is in oval in shape. It's look like a, for example, as a teacher in last lecture, there is a testis. Testis are also oval in shape. So this is your also oval in shape, but it is horizontally. It's 3 cm in length, 1.5 cm is breadth, and your 1 cm is thick. Okay, this is situated near to pelvic girdles. So pelvic girdle, let me tell you. Suppose this is a woman. So pelvic region, this region is your pelvic region. So this is situated near to the kidney on the lateral side. Lateral side near to the kidney. Okay, and which are connected to the uterus. Which are connecting to the uterus with a soft ligament tissue. Well, this is not important to you, for just knowing the purpose that the soft ligament is there, which are connected to the uterus to the ovary. Okay. So first of all, ovary. In your ovary, there is a middle part is your medulla. Just see the diagrams. Well, actually, it's given in book, your page number 23. But I still have mentioned here. So this is your medulla part. Just see the diagrams. Medulla made up of connective tissue. On the medulla, this is a inner layer. So the medulla is covered by the your outer layer. That is your cortex. This is your cortex. As you see in your diagram, you can breathe in that cortex. So on the cortex is made up of a germinal epithelium cells. Look at here, a smooth like structure, that is germinal epithelium. Okay, and when we see about the ovary, it's from your ova or egg, which are responsible for fertilizations, or there is a fusion of gametes where the male sperm is get into the vagina. There is a fusion of your gametes. Okay, so there is a oogenesis, means form of ova at your ovary produce egg or worm. So these are found as a Graafian follicle in a number of patterns. There is your primary follicle, your secondary follicle, your tertiary follicle. This is your mature wave. This oogenesis is your mature, and which contain the oocytes. A single nucleus in the ovary or a primary Graafian follicle is the nucleus. You can call it the oocyte, formation of ovites, oocytes. Okay, and the term also known as your oogenesis. This is your oogenesis. Now, this structure is your carpus luteum. This is a flower-like structure in your ovary. It decides to the lateral side on. So it is your carpus luteum. When the sperm is formed there, so it should be bind there, and which carry to the Graafian follicle to further fertilization. Okay, this is your ovary structure. The medulla consists of your blood vessels, lymph, nerves to provide the nutrition to the sperm and the ova. So that's why they get fertilized. The male sperm and the female ova is there, so that there is a blood vessels, lymph nodes. All these supports and nutrition are from medulla cortex. Now this is your structure. So we see it in the details quite. The process of oogenesis must start from the birth. When a female baby is put in her mother fetus, so there is a formation of ovaries, but they are not mature. As the lady comes out from the vagina or the birth canal, so when she is turning into the 12 or 13 years of age, she get mature. There is start her menarche, or you can say the menstrual cycle is start from the age of 13. This question asked in your MCQs, you have to know that the menarche start from 13 years of age. So at the age of 13, the female ovaries and the ova gets mature, and she form a menstrual cycle. So it start from 30, it's menarche, and the menopause, when the menstrual cycle is off on the age of 45 to 55. 45 to 55. So this is all the reproductive periods of 32 years, starting from the birth canal till to the menopause. Means some ladies having a menopause of 45. Menopause means stopping of menstrual cycle. Stopping of menstrual cycle. So it can stop on 45 age and it can stop at the 55 age. So in a 32 years of reproductive age, a female lady produces 4/16 eggs. Female lady produces 4/16 eggs. Okay. So still we are going to see a ovary, a brief structure. You can see in the diagram, page number 22. It can't be seen here, so I am not trying to draw now. Okay. In next lecture, we are going to see the ovarian histology of female. But before that, we have to know the menarche, the menopause, starting of menstrual cycle, end of menstrual cycle, the morphology of the ovary, 3 cm length, breed, ovals, your primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, or the mature ova, the oogenesis is there. These are terms are very important for you. In next lecture, we see the morphology and the histology of ovary. Thank you so much.